Filing for bankruptcy in Philadelphia County can be a daunting experience, but the right legal guidance can make all the difference. From your first consultation, your lawyer will review your financial situation, explain your options in plain language, prepare all necessary paperwork, and ensure your petition is filed correctly. Once filed, the automatic stay stops most creditor calls, lawsuits, foreclosures, and wage garnishments, giving you the breathing room you need. Your attorney will represent you at the meeting of creditors and in any necessary court hearings, negotiating with creditors to secure the best possible outcome. When selecting a Philadelphia bankruptcy attorney, look for experience with local court procedures, strong communication skills, and a proven track record. Choosing a local lawyer means working with someone who understands the nuances of Pennsylvania bankruptcy law and the Philadelphia court system, which can streamline the process and help you avoid common mistakes. Bankruptcy is not the end, it's an opportunity for a fresh start. With the right legal representation, you can take control of your finances, protect what matters most, and begin rebuilding your financial future with confidence. Navigating bankruptcy can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. Click the free consultation button and connect with a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area who can help guide you through the entire process. Take the first step towards financial freedom today.